recently my in-laws, or Grammy and Poppy as the kids call them, went out of town, and before they left they told us that we could come stay at their house for the week if we wanted to. Now my brother-in-law and sister-in-law live right next to them, and they just had their first little baby girl. So if me and Hannah and the boys were given the opportunity to stay right next to that perfect little angel all week, you didn't have to ask us twice. The answer was a definite yes. So we headed there for the week. Now, while we were there, my father-in-law had something that he wanted us to help him out with. You see, they've got an unfinished portion of their house, and the squirrels apparently have been activating ninja mode and have been sneaking in and have declared an all-out war. So, if it's war they want, it's war they shall get. Just go, he's gonna run. So just go and then just find out, see where he runs to. Asher, load up again. You see him on the ground? Shoot him. He's alive, shoot him. I honestly don't know if you hit him or missed him that time. Let's see if we can track him though.
The red-beaked fox.
There's not really any blood to follow, but I think I see him up there.
I see him. That's a dead squirrel.
Alright, well, got him. What happened, Jackson?
We were inside and I looked through the window and I saw a squirrel and Ashley shot it, but then we didn't want to let it suffer, but then when he shot again it missed, but then he died.
Yep, great recap. Yeah, Asher shot him, and it took a little track job to find him, but we did find him. So, good shot. We got one down.
Okay. But I don't even know where the squirrel is.
Well, I know he's there somewhere, so we just gotta go find him. Reload. Alright, hey, he's in the tree. Come on. You hit the branch. Hurry up. Hurry. Get on your knees if you need to. Hurry, 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 hurry.
I think he's AI. He's not me.
Alright, get on your knees if you need to. Lock and load, man. Lock and load.
Where'd he go?
Let's go find him.
What I missed.
I know. As I check on the somewhat sad state of this food plot, let me defend Zeke here for a second. We had that Gammo Wildcat Whisper completely dialed in, and he's usually a really good shot with it. So after that incident with that squirrel, I checked the rifle, and sure enough, some of the bolts on the scope bracket had come loose. So we got it sighted back in, and because I can be stupid at times, I forgot to record it. But we got it sighted back in, and then as you're about to see, it didn't take long for Zeke to get another opportunity. Now, if you know anything about the South in the summer, it is indescribably humid, to the point where it make you just straight up mad. So every time he would bring his gun from inside to outside, the scope would completely fog up. So we ended up chasing this next little sucker for way longer than we had originally planned.
Oh gosh.
It's intense.
Ziggy's right there. Oh.
Do you have extra pellets?
I can't find him.
Oh, Zeke, over here. Come over here. There he is. You see him?
Yeah.
Alright, just keep your eye on him. There, you see him?
Where did he just go?
Zeke, oh, he was so still. Do you see him?
Yeah. I was trying, but the scope won't stop fogging up.
What's happening?
Won't stop fogging up. There you are. That's a good shot. Go to the bottom of that tree, hurry, before he gets on the ground. Oh. I can't see.
The scope.
Stupid scope. A piece of crap.
It's just fogging up because of the humidity. Hey, you see him?
Yeah.
He's down here. See, you see him?
Okay, it's clear now.
Hurry up, hurry, hurry, hurry. Go, 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 go.
All right, we found a squirrel. It's right after church and Dad isn't home. So we have to go get them. And there's like 2. So here we go. Okay. Oh, I see him. Here. Okay, here. Stand up or crouch. He's right there.
Got him.
Oh, there's another one. All right, you got him. Load it back up. There's another one. Oh, he's injured. You're gonna have to shoot him again. Yes, hurry. He's running away. Come on, we gotta get closer.
Where is he?
He's running up the tree right there. He can't jump or anything though, so. There he is, there he is. See, come right here. I see him, he's right there. All right, he's right there.
I can't see him.
He's about to fall anyways.
Have you already shot him once?
Yeah, all right.
Just got a squirrel.
Yep, there's another one up there too.
Got him, baby.
We want to get more than 1 to 3 there.
We just got home from church, but Dad wasn't here, so me and Asher had to get the camera. And then we came over here. I shot him, and it hit him in the back. So, yep, got one.
There's also like 2 more.
All right, well, there's more up in the trees. We'll keep an eye out and see if we can get any more.
Okay, they'll come down
Next up
eventually.
is Asher.
Okay.
That's
We're gonna
tough.
have to re-sight it in again. But it's okay.
And right after that, it was time to pack up and head home. So I think we only put a tiny little dent in the ninja squirrel population. So we will definitely return and see if we can do some more damage to them. So for now, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.